Welcome, today I'll show you how to unblock phone number into DOOGEE V20. First of all, open phone application, then in the top right corner we got 3 dots. Tap it and choose settings. Here go into block numbers option, and now we got 2 blocked numbers. And for unblocking, for example, this last number, tap here on the right side to cross and confirm operation, tapping unblock one more time. And we got success message that this number were unblocked. So let's try again this number and type here on the right side to cross and confirm operation, tapping unblock one more time. And we got success message, so that's it. Thank you for watching, leave thumbs up and subscribe to our channel.